Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to find your recently watched videos on Facebook. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up the app. Now go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. Tap on it and just tap on settings. If you can't find it, just go ahead and scroll down right here and tap on settings and privacy. Okay, tap on settings. Now go ahead and scroll down until you find the section, okay, your activity. Okay, you're gonna want to tap on activity log. Now in here, just go ahead and tap on activity history, like so. And in here, you'll be able to find the videos you've watched as well. Also, when you go ahead over to filters, okay, go ahead and tap on categories, like so. Now tap on your Facebook activity, okay. And here you'll have post. Tap on it. Now go ahead and find the videos you've watched. Okay, just tap on it and you'll be able to see a list right here of the videos that you've watched. All right, that is it. That is how you find your recently watched videos on Facebook. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.